All right, guys, I'm gonna walk you guys around downtown Tulum. Let's start now. All right, guys, now we are down here in downtown Tulum at around about 5 or 6 p.m. on a Wednesday. This is a developing town here. It's evolving and growing. And this little strip right along the highway here, which is the central corridor that takes you right up Riviera Maya into Cancun. Is the main drag. Lots of stores, lots of shops. Beautiful. My mama.
Oh yeah?
She like, yeah.
Okay, nice.
She. But yeah, Hotel Zone is that way. Totally different kind of vibe. This is more like what you see in, I don't know, kind of like Cabo, I guess. Or it's becoming like Playa del Carmen in a way. Downtown Tulum. Some people might say, don't ever say that. Some people might say, yeah, you know, you're kind of right. It really is becoming like Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen has a really beautiful beach, and then you go inland a little bit, and you know, although there's an avenida over there, it's just walking, not driving. So yeah, this is downtown Tulum here. There's a archaeological site going that way, and then there's one over by Cien Con. I think that one's called Muyil. And then there's the Tulum archaeological site. And then if you go that way about an hour, you go to Coba, and that's where I went today. You guys can watch all the videos from around Tulum on this channel. We've also got videos from Playa del Carmen, if you guys want to see that. Got videos from Cancun, Cozumel, Mexico City. In case you guys are wondering how to do the COVID thing, you just find a hotel. Typically, they can call someone down to do it for you. Depending on what country you go to, you'll need an antigen or a PCR. Tomorrow, my intention is to get a antigen test. I think he said it's going to cost me $35 or $40. Out in town at one of the vans, it was 800 pesos, which is somewhere around $80, I think. I don't know the exact price. No, I'm sorry, that would have been around about $55. Depending on the conversion rate, you can do the math. What is 55 or 800 pesos? And just to quote what the van said, they said any ID, a driver's license or a passport, but I would just recommend bringing your passport. And hopefully, to those of you who are watching this video many years after it was produced, that's no longer even a thing. I can't wait for that guideline to just be done with. Stabbing your nose to get back in your country, even though you have no symptoms. I can understand if I had symptoms and I needed to go get a checkup, but a lot of the people that I talk to say it's an invasion of privacy. But it's the price you pay, you know? It's the price you pay to come to paradise or live your life. Chichen Itza, Tulum, Koba. See? I also went to a couple ruins, cenotes. Went to a couple cenotes today. Around here they have a few. Also went to Zolha, and I've been to Xcaret. Both are really cool, and if I were to say either one's good. I personally preferred Xcaret, the main park, because it's more diverse. There's culture, there's history, there's swimming. There's also snorkeling, but the mangrove in Eshal or Jalha is pretty good. You can see there's a lot going on down that road right there. This is called Calais Centauro Sur. You can see it kind of comes to life on this road, but I'm going to keep walking the main drag here on both sides. You also want to check our video about the hotel zone, because I walked that, rode that, showed you guys around pretty good on that side of Tulum. It's a town of two city centers, if you want to call it that, the hotel zone and the downtown area. Two totally different vibes too. Like, you would never know that this Tulum was like Hotel Zone. Hotel Zone is totally new age, yoga, on the beach, get ready to just max out and chill. Tulum downtown is more like party retro. You could totally party down here. Lots of backpackers from Europe out here, actually. This is a backpacker haven, especially for Europeans. So you can see right here, crossing the road, it's going to kind of cool down. I actually don't think I've bumped into too many Americans since I've been out here. Americans go to Cancun and Playa del Carmen and Cozumel. They don't really come down to Tulum. This is more of a European destination. But yeah, you can see I've kind of now moved into more of the outskirts of the city center. If you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe and watch some of our other videos. So I'm going to continue to walk down here. Been in Mexico for almost 3 weeks. started in Baja, went through Jalisco. Next time I come down, I'm going to Oaxaca and Chiapas. Oh, look at this. This guy's cooking barbecue on the grill there. Some real barbecue there. Barbershop. But yeah, I mean, hopefully if you were wondering if Tulum was safe, just walking there, seeing other people and how they look stressed. There's the conversion rate right now, it's 1880. Now that could be just what their conversion rate is and not the official conversion rate. Here it is, March, I believe 17th or 18th. It's actually St. Patrick's Day, so it's March 17th. Towns like this, you know, they get a lot of tourists, so try to put your best foot forward to not make the other tourists who look like you get a bad rap. Some tourists come down here, they act up, do crazy stuff, and then they think that all tourists are like that, which not all tourists are wild, crazy. This is Libra Sur. Calle Libra Sur. So you can see another bar right here. So as I come up to this road here, Boca Paila, I'll make a right and I'll head to that area over here where my hotel is. And if I follow that road all the way down, I end up at the beach after about a mile. Look at that. So this is just more walking. You can see we've got desayuno, which is breakfast in Espanol. Lots of breakfast and a couple more artsy kind of areas. This place is going to be built up also, so it's going to come off the highway and kind of L, like do a 90 going in both directions. They're just building up this area now, and that's why we say it's evolving. But you can see, here we go, we got espresso, Americano, latte, mocha. And this is a really good area to build because the people going to Hotel Zone might just actually stop here instead of trying to park down in Hotel Zone. But this is more of a breakfast kind of area. But you can see they got a little bit of nightlife going on right there. I will put a link to the Hotel Zone video in the comments below or in the description. But yeah, I think this area is the next area to really pick up. Palo Santo. Palo Santo. Mystica Immersive Museum. Got a big mall over there, it looks like, or some sort of facility. But yeah, we're going north to south right now, whereas when we started we were going, or I'm sorry, we're going east to west, I guess you could say, towards the Caribbean Ocean, whereas when we started we were going in a more up and down direction. Now we're going side to side towards the ocean. We were running parallel to it when we first started the downtown tour. Like if I went that way, it would be closer to getting to the downtown area where I began, and then I'd make a right. Oh yeah, give this 5 years, it'll be just like it is on that other street, on the highway. Tulum is definitely growing and becoming something. Look at, I mean, they're building this huge project right here. Yeah, so you just keep walking what is called the arts area. So much different options here. Lots of people from South America, and that's a good thing. They bring a whole vibe. It's really fun. Gotta love Brazilians and Argentinians. People from Argentina and Brazil really pump up the vibe out here. More so than the Americans and the Europeans. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV from downtown Tulum. We'll see you guys on the other video about the Hotel Zone down here in Tulum. Watch the video on Cancun. Things to know about visiting Tulum. And we'll see you on the next one.